Oh, just another week of making money. What could be better than that? Well, let's get going and see if we can make even more money this week. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Courtney Smith's Wall Street Winners. That's me, and that's for you. All right. So we've been talking about this sluggish bull market, and we're sitting here trying to break to new highs in the S&P, but we're not. But what's bullish is the purple predictor, that purple line on the screen there. It is breaking to new highs, and that shows that the smart money is coming in and buying the S&P. Now, not the Nasdaq. We'll get to that in a second, but they've switched over, and now they want to buy economically sensitive stocks. So that's a big change in the market and should drive the S&P to new highs over the near term. Yes, I'm still looking for a bear move, but we've got to be patient. The way to make money now is to be long. We'll get to the short side later this year. Over here in the Dow Jones, you can see that it's also doing better. It's popped up because buying pressure is now significantly higher than selling pressure. In addition, the black line in the upper right-hand corner is moving slightly higher, and that confirms that we're back into a bull market from a neutral market. But what about the Nasdaq? Well, the Nasdaq kind of stumbled here over the last week, but look at the purple predictor. It's now making new higher highs here as well. So both the S&P and the Nasdaq are making higher highs on the purple predictor, showing that the smart money is coming back into the market. They've been on the sidelines, now they're back. And that'll bullet much higher, by the way. Both our seasonality plays are neutral right now. I'm going to let the utilities move a little bit higher before we get back into them. So I'm going to call both of these negative. One thing to look at, though, is the purple predictor is bullish for both of them. Looks like this week should be kind of a little dip week and then maybe a little rally if normal seasonality applies. But it looks like from now until the middle of August should be a strong bull move. And once again, the seasonality doesn't really turn neutral or bearish until the month of September. So let's be patient. The yield curve is steady because the Fed is targeting it. It's manipulating it. Asset allocation also very steady. Stock market risk indicator popped up a little bit, so that's a little bit bullish for the stock market. Global shares also grinding higher. Bonds, the purple predictor it's been bullish since March, and it remains bullish here. Price action is good, just grinding higher. We're long bonds, but it's not going to be the world's greatest bull market, that's for sure. But it's partly there as a hedge in case I'm wrong and the stock market starts a plunge-o-rama right away. If that's the case, great, we'll have a hedge on. Bond key factors remain saying we should see higher interest rates, but Fed manipulation is driving them lower. The dollar moving lower. So if the dollar's moving lower, that must mean that gold is moving higher, and indeed it is. We've got a nice bull market here. I'm long gold, and I'm getting longer every day. Fully paid up members, we've got new gold trades for you. Gold key indicators. The top one's clearly bullish. The middle one's clearly sideways. The bottom, maybe it's a little bullish. It's kind of neutral and a half. Okay? But fully paid up members know that our best indicator is bullish. Crude oil is stalling out here. I guess I've been calling for this for some time. As the global economy flattens out, the demand for oil is flattening out as well. Finally, Bitcoin starting to dribble sideways, but I really think the purple predictor is telling us that the next move is down. So you can see the 55-day low comes in there at the blue line there at 8,200. I'm going to be a seller of Bitcoin if it breaks below 8,200 in the cash market. All right, don't forget, I am looking for a bear market later this year, maybe September, October. Can't be totally precise, but that's my best guess right now. Please, if you haven't seen the webinar we did last week, it was a live webinar. We recorded it. Please contact support@wealthbuilderllc.com and get that replay link. All right, freebies. Thanks very much. Fully paid on members. Hold on just a second.